Hi guys! Welcome sa Siknayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on Senior High School Precalculus, no? So sa previous video, pinag-usapan natin yung conic sections, no? At sabi ko sa inyo, ang mga conic sections sa pag-aaralan natin dito sa tutorial series na to ay ang circle, ang ellipse, ang parabola, at saka hyperbola. So ang unahin natin ngayon ay circle. So paano ba tayo gumagawa ng circle? Kung wala tayong compass, for example. So, isa is we can have a string, for example. Meron tayong string, tapos meron tayong pin sa gitna, yung fix. Tapos, pwede nating i-straighten yung string. Unat natin siya, tapos pwede nating iikot. O kaya, kung gusto nyo, pwede yung isipin na parang stick siya. Stick. And then, i-fix natin yung isang dulo, tapos paikutin natin yung dulo. So obviously, yung dinadaanan ng kabilang dulo, in this illustration, yung point P ay circle, di ba? I think obvious naman, no? So pag tinrace on natin yan, pag tinrace on natin siya, ibig sabihin, yan, yung path niya ay circle, di ba? So any point on the circle, for example, from here to here, tapos from here to here, the same distance siya from point O. So, lahat ng points na yan, kasi syempre pareho siya ng length nito, no? So, yan yung definition ng circle. Any point, it's a set of points, no? Na which have the same distance to a fixed point, which is in this case O. So, pwede natin tignan yung definition ng circle, which is a set of all points, no, on a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point on the plane. So, yung fixed point na yon, yung point O natin kanina, ito yung tinatawag natin na center, no? Tinatawag natin na center. Tapos, yung ating ano ibig sabihin na set of all points on a plane? Ibig sabihin, on the same plane sila kasi pag nasa 3 dimensions na tayo, pwedeng same distance siya from the point, no? Pero hindi siya on the same plane. For example, yung case ng sphere, no? So, the points are not on the same plane, pero same distance sila from the center. Okay, so, now notice that if I create a triangle by dropping a perpendicular line from P to a point on the x-axis. Tapos I name that Q, and then I connect O to Q, I have a right triangle. Right triangle siya kasi perpendicular itong dalawang to, di ba? Yung PQ tsaka yung the x-axis. So therefore, this is a right angle, which means that this is a right triangle. So kahit saan pumunta yung P, no? On the circle, di ba may circle tayo dyan kanina, ay right triangle tayo, except doon siyempre sa mga axis, no? Kasi hindi tayo makakabuo ng triangle. And alam natin na yung P, iba't iba yung coordinates niyan, depende sa position niya. So maybe we can just let the coordinates be x, y. No? Okay, so napag-aralan nyo na naman yung ordered pair, di ba? So, looking at a particular triangle, no? We have OPQ. No? This is triangle OPQ, and syempre yung kanyang coordinates ng P niyan ay xy, di ba? And ano ibig sabihin ng x? Is the x-coordinate of this point, or it's the distance from 0 to this point. For example, this is 0.9. Ibig sabihin, from 0 to 0.9. You can also represent that as a distance. So, pwede rin natin i-represent to ng x, di ba? At yung sa taas, yung pataas, from here to here, yung y-coordinate ng P, then, pwede rin natin siyang sabihing y-coordinate, but pwede na natin siyang distance from 0, for example, 0.7, 0.6. So, So from here to here is 0.6, which means that this is also 0.6. So meaning this is also y, no? And even if nasa negative yung ating, for example, yung ating q, we are still talking about the distance. So ang distance is always positive. Okay, so it doesn't matter, no? So, ano naman yung ating length? Well, in this case, we have 1, di ba? Kasi 1 unit yan. Of course, we can change the length, no? Pwede natin palakihin, pwede natin palitin. So, but in this case muna, meron tayong 1. The diagonal the hypotenuse is 1. And by the Pythagorean Theorem, I think you're very familiar with this. Paano natin kukunin yung hypotenuse? Diba? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Diba? Ito yung c yung hypotenuse. Meaning, using x and y, we have x squared, this side, the length of this side, plus the length of this side, which is y squared, which is y, and then b squared, equals 1 squared. No? Siyempre, pag nilakahan natin yung, pag hinabaan natin yung kanyang radius ng circle, yun. Diba radius siya ng circle kanina? Then, this is the radius of a circle, diba? Kasi distance from center to the circle. So, pwede nating sabihin na, pwede natin isulat na x squared plus y squared equals, ilan yun? Is it 1.5? This is 1.5. 1.5 squared. 1.5 squared. And you get the idea, di ba? So x squared plus y squared is whatever the radius here. Meaning x squared plus y squared equals r squared for any value of r. So actually, ito ang tinatawag natin dito is equation of a circle. No? Kasi anywhere, kung saan mang point, wherever P goes on the circle, madi-describe siya ng ganitong equation. No? It's the length the length of the two shorter sides. Tapos ito yung radius. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag natin na equation of a circle. And this is the circle with, these are circles with center at the origin, 0, 0, and radius, ito radius niya ay 1. Ito ay centered at 0, 0, and also radius 1.5. So ito, equation of a circle, centered with center 0, 0, and radius r. So for any r na yan. Of course, kung radius na ay 100, x squared plus y squared equals 100 squared. Okay, so yan yung dito siya nanggaling, yung x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Now, the question is, which is yung susunod natin na video, paano naman ngayon kung ang center ay hindi siya nasa origin, hindi siya nasa 0, 0? Ganito pa rin ba yung equation? So, malalaman natin yan sa mga susunod na videos. Pero I think yung susunod na video will be a very short video which are exercises about this equation. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa video. Invite ko kayo sa YouTube channel natin, youtube.com/user/if9ph, and our Facebook page, facebook.com/if9ph, at yung ating website, if9.com. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.